The Enchanted Forest, a magical adventure. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, lived Emma, curious and adventurous. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the woods near her home, Emma stumbles upon a hidden path that leads to a breathtakingly beautiful and enchanted forest. This forest is not just filled with radiant flowers and sparkling streams, but also holds a remarkable secret. Its animals can talk. As Emma explores the forest, she meets Finn, a charming fox who introduces her to the other magical inhabitants. However, the wonder of the forest is overshadowed by a looming threat, a dark curse that has begun to spread, causing the once lush landscape to wither and lose its enchantment. The forest's wise residents, including Oliver the Owl and Squeaky the Squirrel, reveal that the curse was cast by a malevolent sorcerer who envies the forest's magic. To save their home, Emma must find a lost magical gem hidden deep within the forest. Determined to help, Emma embarks on a quest with her new friends. They face various challenges, including navigating a labyrinth of thorny vines and crossing a treacherous river. Emma learns to rely on her friends' unique skills and her own bravery. After a series of trials, they discover that the gem is hidden within an ancient, enchanted tree guarded by the dark sorcerer himself. When Emma and her friends reach the ancient tree, they confront the dark sorcerer who has become a shadowy guardian of the gem. Emma uses her wits and the support of her friends to overcome the sorcerer and retrieve the gem. As she places the gem in its rightful place, its radiant light dispels the curse, restoring the forest's magic and beauty. The Enchanted Forest holds a grand celebration in Emma's honor, and she is given a glowing charm as a token of gratitude. Emma returns to her village with a charm, carrying with her not only a memento of her adventure, but also a deep understanding of the lessons she learned. Through her journey, Emma learns several valuable lessons. Embrace curiosity and new experiences. By exploring the unknown, Emma discovers the magical forest and its wonders. Her curiosity leads to a grand adventure and the opportunity to make new friends. Recognize and address challenges. Emma learns that acknowledging problems is the first step to solving them. Her willingness to confront the curse head-on shows that recognizing a challenge is essential to overcoming it. The power of teamwork. Emma's quest emphasizes the importance of working together. By relying on her friends' strengths and collaborating effectively, they are able to overcome obstacles and achieve their goal. Courage and resilience. Emma's bravery in facing the dark sorcerer and her resilience in the face of adversity are key to breaking the curse. She learns that courage and perseverance are crucial when confronting fears. Appreciation and gratitude. The celebration at the end of the story underscores the importance of recognizing and appreciating the support of others. Emma's adventure highlights the value of friendship and gratitude. Cherish and reflect on experiences. Returning home with the magical charm, Emma reflects on the lessons learned and the friendships made. She understands that magical experiences are not just about wonder, but also about the growth and understanding they bring. Emma's adventure in the Enchanted Forest becomes a cherished memory, teaching her and readers the importance of curiosity, teamwork, courage, and appreciation in their own lives. Like and subscribe